Hello everyone, welcome to the Driver Mod. My name's Anthony, and before we get this video started, I did just want to let everyone watching this video know that we are in the middle of our 2,000 subscriber giveaway. We're going to be giving away 3 items. You're going to have 3 chances to win. All the details are going to be in the video. I'm going to post a link in the description below as well up in the corner above. So make sure you watch that video so you know how to enter. It's not going to be like a standard giveaway, so definitely watch that video if you're interested in winning one of our possible giveaways. Now, without further ado, let's get to your featured video. Hey guys, welcome back to the Driver Mods. Today, we are going to be revealing something to my son. He is going to be going on his first official GT rally, so first rally experience. We're going to rally out to Daytona and go see the Roar Before the 24, as well as you'll see in the following footage, over the last couple days, about a week, I've been slowly piecing together a first car for him. I went and bought a Power Wheels Mustang. As you'll see in the footage, it's red, but I went and made it look just like mine. So you know what my car looks like. And to me, it was important to do that. He absolutely loves my car. Sometimes I even think he loves it just a little bit more than I do. So to me, it was just one of those things, you know, as a parent, as a dad, that you only got so many, so much time with your kid or kids that to do something like this. So I hope he ends up taking it the way that I, obviously envision him taking it. Fortunately, being in the position to basically have, YouTube is basically covering this whole, this whole build, if you will. So, all in all, I hope it goes well. We're going to be revealing it at the drivers meeting for GT Rally GT5. There's going to be 70 cars there, 120 people. I'm expecting him to be a little shy, but hopefully, he still takes to it well. And hopefully we'll get some reactions. So I'm going to show a quick little, sped up version of the process of, tearing it apart, painting it, all that kind of stuff, and then we'll have the actual reveal, and we'll put some clips in of him, actually driving and everything.
We have a surprise here today. A little surprise for you guys. So
it's actually a car reveal.
Yeah.
Car reveal right here.
Car reveal for something special.
Right here. All right.
Here in the middle.
We got little Grayson
Someone's
here.
getting a car today.
Somebody's getting a new car.
You want me to
Yeah, you want to help me out? Yeah. So we've got our newest brand ambassador for GT Rally.
We don't know if you guys saw Anthony's car.
I've got the black Shelby with the blue stripe on it. So kind of the driver mod. It changed.
Are you ready?
All right. There's gonna be a lot of tucking here. Right. Gonna need to.
Record his face.
Yeah. Get it out front of there. It took me about 4 hours to do this.
You got the wrong car cover.
So I hope. Oh no, it'll make sense here.
You ready?
In a little bit. Still under there.
Have you seen this?
Are you ready?
Who wants to hold that? You want to hold that?
I don't think Grayson's ready.
Grayson, are you ready?
Go over here.
He's ready.
He's so ready.
Can't make it easy.
All right.
You get the jumbo size? What is this?
Well, that's all the time we have for today.
Props to the Packer.
Definitely not a custom cover.
All right. You ready?
Just gonna put me.
I think he's been ready.
Ready? Here we go. On 3. 1, 2, 3.
Look at that. Look at that.
Is that a mud? us today.
Do a burnout.
Wait, don't do a burnout. There's a crowd.
Oh my God.
Thank you. All right, Grayson, what are you doing?
Driving my Mustang.
You're driving your Mustang? You ready to go? All right, push that pedal. Whoa! Open the door.
Actually,
I like it. Where did it come from?
babe, you have a
Came from the store. So you like it? Why do you like it?
Because that means stripes like you.
You like it because it's got the blue stickers like me? Should we get your own stickers on there?
Yeah. I want a lot.
What do you want? You want a lot of stickers?
Yeah, with the Mustang.
He painted it, just like Daddy's.
Why I got these?
Oh, they're for heat extraction. Help you go faster.
What are these?
It's a splitter to help you go faster.
Why are these lights like that?
That's just how they look.